Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mazbar Tech. I hope you're doing great wherever you are. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Facebook and on your Messenger. This is very simple and pretty straightforward, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Without further ado, let's dive right onto it. First thing first, I'm just gonna fire up my Facebook app. Then I'm gonna click on, see that three line at the top corner, which is right beside that bell. Just click on that. Scroll up. Then you're gonna click on right here where it says settings and privacy. Then you're gonna click on settings. Scroll up. It should be under privacy tab. See active status. Show when you're active. Just click on that. Mine, I already turned it off. In your case, if it's not, maybe it's on, like this. You're just going to turn it off. Click to the left. That's it. Let me show you again. Turn on. Okay. I'm just going to click turn off. Now we turn off ourselves from the Facebook. Now I'm gonna go to Messenger. I'm just gonna open up my Messenger app and click on beside chats at the top left corner, or wherever your picture is showing. In my case, right here. So as you can see, my active status is off. I turn it off. Just click on that. In your case, maybe it's on. You're just gonna turn it off like this. Click turn off. Now you turn off yourself from the Messenger. So now nobody's gonna be able to see you when you're online. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like this video, please consider subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.